अब हम पाइथन प्रोग्राम्स की कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे और प्रोग्राम्स कैसे बनते हैं मैं ऑलरेडी क्लियर कर चुका हूं, बट अगेन रिवाइजिंग पर्पस से मैं बता रहा हूं। पाइथन आइडियली हम ये करेंगे, ये ओपन करा और फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम जो हेलो का है वो हमने बनाया। हैश प्रोग्राम फॉर डिस्प्ले हेलो। सिंपल प्रिंट लिखना होता है, आइदर यू कैन यूज इट सिंगल कोट्स और डबल कोट्स, दोनों कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ पर मैंने दे दिया प्रिंट HELL और आप इसको सेव करते हैं हम। और रन करा आपने, तो ये हेलो डिस्प्ले 2 बार आया। What I want to say, you can put it string in single quotes. Print statement output statement होता है। Print statement is output statement. Whatever you are putting in single quotes, it will display it. Hello and hello both. First program hello we have completed. Now second, add of two number. How to add it? Two numbers. How to create it? Sum of two numbers program. Now important thing. Save as program for ऊपर जो फर्स्ट लाइन इज द कमेंट लाइन। Program for sum of two number. So in this situation, first we require two inputs. So first variable is num1, enter first number. Now important thing, input is a function. Input is a function. Input is a function. String, whatever string you have put it, enter first number. Integer, by default it will take string. If you are putting integer, write it integer. Then second number again string converted into integer. Now two things are there. Both the number will convert it. Now if you are giving number in float, it will convert it into float. And if you are not giving float, string will consider. So suppose if I am not converting integer, so it will automatically float value will convert it and assign it. Now print it, sorry. Sum of 0, 1, 2. First value, second value, third value. Format. Dot format. Either you can through this run it. Why this taking? Sum. SUM. Actually, your input is error. Now error will not come. Put it, remove it. Unexpected. Now this type of where error will come, it first number 12.3, 23.7. So this is the number. Even you can directly convert it into integer. Suppose this is the first program. I am commenting it. Comment always you would use it three single quotes and separate. I am creating a separate program. Program for subtraction of two numbers. N1 is the variable. N1 is the variable. Input is the function. But important thing, by default it will take it in string. Input is the function. Enter your string. Enter your number. First number. N2 equals to integer. Input. Enter your second number. Then sum, subtraction, SUBT is the variable for subtracting it, N1 minus N2. Here we are doing numeric value, integer numeric value. Now what does it mean integer? That means without decimal value. We are converting. Print subtraction of two numbers. First number 23 to 20. See it result. Now I am again explaining line by line. The very first line is called comment. Comment is optional. Comment optional होती है. There is no need to write it comment. Subsection का जो overall process है. First number input integer, second variable, first variable minus second subsection of two number. सिंपल सिंगल प्रोग्राम में हम अर्थमेटिक चारों पांचों ऑपरेशन कर सकते हैं, जिसको मैं आपको बता रहा हूं एक ही प्रोग्राम में. ये अब मैं एक ही प्रोग्राम में प्रोग्राम टू परफॉर्म अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन. अब अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन का मतलब है प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड. इंटर फर्स्ट नंबर, इंटर सेकंड नंबर. प्लस के लिए हमने लिया सम इक्वल्स टू N1 वेरिएबल plus n2 variable print sum is और sum या एडिशन ऑफ 2 नंबर लिखो. ये लिया. सब्सट्रैक्शन हमको करना है तो SUB इक्वल्स टू N1 माइनस N2. फिर सब्सट्रैक्शन subtraction SUB. S1 variable is sufficient. Yeah, SU variable. Sum subtraction. Now multiplication. MUL equals to N1 multiply N2. Multiplication is MUL divide DIV equals to N1 divide N2. Dividation is four operation I have performed it. All operation performed through integer. First number 20, second number 5. Addition 25, subtraction 15. Now again I am explaining in a very proper manner. Enter first number is a string, which will display it here. Input is the name of the function. And integer is the converting string from integer. Integer is a thing which convert from string to integer. N1 is a variable. Whatever value we are giving 20, we are giving value 20, it will be assigned it into N1. Again, enter your second number. This is string. Input is the function. Integer converted. N2 is variable. So two variable N1 plus N2 sum. The addition is sum. Now, next, print the addition is SU. Then N1 minus N2 subtraction is SUB. N1 multiply N2 multiplication is small. And N1 divided by N2 divide. One more option is also there, that is called floor. Double divide option is there. It will not assign into divide floor. Decimal will not display it. First number 25, 5. First number 25, 5. Addition 30, subtraction 20, multiplication 25, dividation 5. और last में जो the last one, dividation floor is 5. Double divide, when you are using double divide operator, it will basically avoid the decimal value. Now one more option is also there, that is percentage operator that shows remainder. remainder, REM, A, N1 percentage, N2. Reminder is REM, REM. Now we compile it. First number. Again run it. We can same 34. Addition 34, subtraction 26, multiplication 120, dividation 7.5. Dividation 4 is 7 and remainder is 2. So this all things related to uh, arithmetic operation. So next program we can see addition of the number, we can perform it. One more thing that is most very important. Find out the triangle, area of triangle. Area of triangle we can perform it. Average we can perform it. Program to find out. Here all is comment. Unexpected indentation. Spacing, remove spacing. 3 numbers are there in a triangle. So 3 sides are there. The value of 3 sides we are entering it, sum it and divide by 2 and find out the area. That means for finding out the side. First side 12, second side 3, 5. Cannot convert complex to closed side. So area of triangle 1 by 2 base into height. This is the thing. Side we have to find out it. In previous thing we have inputted integer numeric value. Now you can perform it. Even percentage of again find out it in the exponent form, the percentage sign. Just see the difference. Again we can use it difference. Slash and put it. Now we can run it. First side 12.5, 6.3. Now see it first result and second result. Why this is showing 0.2? After decimal, it will display in 2 digits. That's why 0.2. And comma we have not separated. The area of triangle is area, comma. The area of triangle is percentage 0.2f. Percentage area. This is the thing which we have to maintain it. Next, average. Next program we can create average. For finding out 3 numbers average, take 3 numbers. Three numbers. Again, first 2 numbers can निकाल लेते 2 numbers. 4 numbers. Average of 4 numbers. First number. D. Not ABCD, you can use it XYZ also. X, Y, Z or A. Third number or fourth number. Now calculate the average. Calculate the average. X plus Y plus Z plus A. When we find out, divide by 4. Because 4 numbers are there. And take it variable AVG. When you are using any variable, always take variable, relevant variable. Relevant variable आप ले. Because the finding of the average of 2 variables. Average of 2. Average of 4 numbers. Is single quotes AVG. Twelve point 3, 2.3, 3.6. Again, you can also use it same condition. Percentage 0.3f percentage. first number. Percentage 0.4. So this is the thing. Again, first number. So one, only one value will display. Two value also displayed. Two value. So most of the programs we have calculated without temporary swapping of variable. Again, without using third, two and third. New file. The same program you use with three variable and same program you can use with two variable. ऊपर वाला जो प्रोग्राम है तीन वेरिएबल का सहारा लेके बनाया, नीचे वाला दो वेरिएबल का ही लेके काम कर रहा है. x इक्वल्स टू वाई और y इक्वल्स टू एक्स कर दो. अब देखते हैं अपन कैसे. जैसे x इक्वल्स टू 23 और y इक्वल्स टू 45, ये दो अलग अलग प्रोग्राम है. दिस टू प्रोग्राम्स आर देयर. यहाँ पर हमने इंटीजर कन्वर्ट नहीं करा तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली जिस फॉर्मेट में लेगा उस फॉर्मेट में वो डिस्प्ले कर देगा. 10 30 30 10 हो जाएगा और ये 45 23. तो ये थोड़ा सा चीजें अलग है. हियर वी आर यूजिंग थ्री वेरिएबल एंड हियर वी आर यूजिंग टू वेरिएबल. ये है डिफरेंस. ये 10 20. तो टू वेरिएबल यहाँ जो है वो टू वेरिएबल. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग टू वेरिएबल, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. So that's all for today. If you have any query, you can ask. group or comment it. Thank you.